In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find wishlist on Amazon. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can get back to the items you're keeping an eye on. First, open your web browser and go to www.amazon.com. This walkthrough is for the desktop website, and the layout is consistent across most regions, so what you see should be very similar. If Amazon asks you to sign in, that's normal, and once you're in, you'll land on the homepage. Now look to the top right corner of the page for the header that runs across the screen. Find the section labeled Account and Lists. It's near the search bar and the cart icon. On many browsers, moving your mouse there will reveal a menu, but you can simply click Account and Lists to open your account area. This is your central hub for everything related to your profile, orders, and saved items. Inside that account area, locate the option called Your Lists. This is the part of Amazon that organizes all your saved lists, including your wish list. It can appear as a tab or a prominent link. If you also see options like your orders or your account, make sure you're choosing your lists specifically, since that's where Amazon keeps items you've saved for later consideration. When the lists page opens, you'll see a collection of your lists. This can include a default wish list, a shopping list, and any custom lists you've created over time. Select the list you want to open. Clicking it will display every item you've saved there, along with details like price, availability, and options to move items to your cart when you're ready to buy. If you maintain multiple lists, for example, one for gift ideas and another for home projects, use the visible list names to switch between them until you find the one you're looking for. A couple of quick tips as you browse. If the header looks condensed, you might see a small profile silhouette next to the cart. That still leads you to the same account and lists area. If you shop on a regional site like amazon.co.uk or amazon.de, the wording is similar, and your lists will appear in the equivalent place. And if your wish list looks empty, double-check that you're in the correct account, especially if you share a computer. That's all there is to it. Go to Amazon, click Account and Lists, choose Your Lists, and then select the list you want. With this path in mind, your wish list is always just a couple of clicks away.